What's up, guys? This is Evo, and today, since I'm in Houston, what's up, guys? This is Evo. Welcome back to my channel. What's up, Greg fam? Welcome back to another day. Now, my favorite. Oh, I know y'all see it right there. Welcome back to Evo's Creation. I'm Evo, and this right here, part 4 of making drinks for people with diabetes or pre-diabetic, so they can drink comfortably at the bar too without getting all them sugary drinks. I have to take their insulin medicine. So as we start out, always we're gonna introduce our ingredients. Boom. There's another Calypso. These are really good, and I recommend them if you are diabetic or pre-diabetic. 0 sugar. They smooth. They're really good. Blue Cap. Remember Blue Cap. We got Ryan Reynolds gin right here. Aviation. Since Ryan Reynolds going crazy in the box office with Deadpool and everything, I think it was only right to highlight his gin. We have ice. You can substitute this for Sprite or lemon lime soda, but make sure it's 0 sugar, because all ice sparkling drinks are 0 sugar, as you can tell, 0 sugar. Strawberries. Anything in the berry family is a great snack for anybody that is pre-diabetic or have diabetes currently. So without further ado, let's go ahead and make this drink. So if you've seen the previous videos, I'm gonna link them in somewhere on the screen, but I always start off with the fruit at the bottom, let the ice get on top. I think it's a very good look if you're just trying to take pictures and stuff, but it does look good. As you can tell, we still got a whole bunch of other strawberries we will add in at the end. But start off with the gin. Remember, drink responsibly and pour to your liking. I'm not a big gin person, so I'm not gonna pour that much of it. Calypso 0 sugar. We're gonna start with this first. Go ahead and pour it in there. I told you I really like this, so I'll probably go a little heavier than this. Oh yeah, I like that. Strawberries already floating. Then we're gonna add the ice, sparkling ice. Get a little bit at the top. Usually I don't got nothing to stir with, so we're just gonna stir with this. Let's go ahead and taste it. Cheers. Oh yeah. This is really good. This gin, it ain't that bad. This gin ain't that bad. Most other gin, like single gin or some other cheap gin I get. But this is quite nice. These 3 things compared to each other is good. Hey, there you have it. There's a drink that people with diabetes can drink on. And why have to worry about spiking your sugar? Enjoy yourself. And again, drink responsibly.